Good morning! So for today's video, I would like to update you guys. Kamusta na ba yung life ko here in the Philippines? And some of your comments also guys asking bakit ako po bumalik dito sa Philippines after married. So and curious din yung iba why nagpakasal kami sa Denmark. So I will answer those questions one by one. First, bakit ako bumalik dito sa Philippines? So guys, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, yung ginamit ko na visa going to Germany is visit visa lang po. So, it's not allowed na mag-overstay ako doon without a valid reason talaga. So, yung visit visa or Schengen visa guys is limited siya for 3 months. So, hindi po siya pwedeng magstay doon ng habang buhay. So, and the second question is, bakit kami nagpakasal sa Denmark ng aking German? Pwede pala yun, ganun. So, okay, to answer you directly guys, hindi kami nagpakasal dito sa Philippines or sa Germany because it's take a lot of time to process, and also Lucas guys is nag-find siya job. So, we need to find a better solution, which is makapunta ako ng Germany without, what is that called? Hindi matagalan. Kasi nga guys, pag once na dito kami sa Philippines or sa Germany, it's take like a year. 6 to 8 months and into 1 year ang processing. So we decided na sa Denmark kami magpapakasal. Actually guys, hindi talaga namin plan na magpapakasal kami sa Denmark. But the reason why na doon kami nagpakasal last September, it is because yun yung pinaka-easy way talaga for us para makapunta ako agad dyan sa Germany. Kasi si Lucas, hindi siya pwedeng mag-visit ng Philippines again. It is because of the complicated nga yung work niya. Hindi niya pwedeng madala dito sa Philippines. So, ayun yung mga kasagutan ng mga question nyo. I just hope, guys, na nasagot ko siya ng maayos. And also, guys, my life update here in the Philippines. While waiting, guys, I just enjoying the time here and also doing those things na nakapag-distract sa akin to, syempre guys, hindi mo naman pag once na LDR kayo, so mamiss mo talaga yung tao. And, of course, I just want to distract myself from it. So, ayun. So, yun yung quick update natin. Huwag nating taasin yung video na to. Anyway, sa mga nagtatanong sa akin about sa visit visa, guys, I'm very sorry right now. I can't post a lot of vlogs here in YouTube. Kasi nga, guys, nagsistruggle din ako sa, nag-struggle din ako sa internet connection ko dito sa Philippines. Hindi talaga siya stable. And also, hindi ako masyadong makagawa ng video for YouTube. Kasi nga guys, yung surroundings is maingay talaga. So, especially when nandun ako sa mountain, sa bahay namin. So, hindi talaga ako makagawa ng vlog doon na peaceful yung places, yung surroundings ko. Anyway, this is the end of my video. I just hope, guys, you get something from this video. So thank you so much guys, and I will try my best to make a video about the Schengen visa again, even I already have a video, but I'm gonna try my best to make another one para sa update. And yeah, just wait guys. I'm sorry if I can't reply you guys. Sa mga nagtatanong, pasensyahan nyo na ako. It is because right now struggling talaga ako sa internet connection ko. So ayun lang. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.